Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to turn off active status on Instagram in 2025. So when you do this, people won't see when you are online or your last seen. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application. Then you need to log in into your account. Once you have done that, simply tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then tap on these three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen in order to come here in the settings and activity section of your Instagram account. Over here, you need to just scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you find this option of messages and story replies. If you are not able to find it here in the list, you can also use this search bar here in the top and you can search for messages, and even if you type M, you are going to see this option of messages and story replies. So you need to simply tap over here. Now in this section, you are going to see the option of how people can reach you or how others can interact with you. So here, if you tap on the option of show activity status, you will see that by default it is turned on. But since we want to basically turn off our activity status, you need to tap on this toggle button in order to turn it off. Once it is off, people won't see when you are online, but you also won't see theirs. So this is how you can turn off your active status on Instagram in 2025. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips, and comment below if you would like me to cover any other topics. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.